Hello students, welcome to Dr. Ashoraf's classes. So in this particular video we are solving papers from this National Board of Higher Mathematics 2021. So this is question number 15. Consider the Taylor series Taylor expansion of the function 1 by 1 plus x cube in powers of x minus half. So this given 1 by 1 plus x cube is equal to summation of n equal to greater than equal to 0 a n x minus half to the power n. What is we have to find? We have to find the radius of convergence of this series. ROC we have to find. Okay. So it is known that the radius of convergence, okay, we can write it the radius of convergence or simply ROC. It is the minimum distance from the center of Taylor series to the nearest singularity of the function. Okay, so this is the minimum distance. So we have to find the minimum of this ROC. That's the region of convergence. So now, what is the center of this Taylor expansion? Center of the Taylor series is half, right? So this is x minus of half. So this center will be half. And what is the function? Function is simple over here. That is 1 upon 1 plus xs cube, right? Now, if we take this 1 plus xs cube, how you can write it? So it can be written as x plus 1 multiplied by x square minus x plus 1, right? So from here we can see that x equal to, obviously this x equal to 1 is minus 1, another one x square minus x plus 1 equal to 0. So from here we can get x is equal to 1 plus minus root 3I by 2, right? So this particular function, this 1 upon 1 by x cube, this function has a singularity at which of the points? Has a singularity at x equal to minus 1 and the other 2 points, that 1 plus root 3I by 2 and 1 minus root 3I by 2. So we have to find that is the minimum distance, right? So the what is the ROC? That is the radius of convergence. That is we have given this ROC this as a name. ROC means the region of convergence, so we will write it as the radius of convergence. Okay, so what will be the radius of convergence? So that is will be minimum of, so we have the center half, that is half of 0. Okay, so distance between this half 0 and the minus 1, half and half 0 with this 1 plus root 3I by 2 minus 1 comma 0, 1 plus root 3I by 2 and 1 minus root 3I by 2. So what is this? Is the minimum of, so distance means you have to find the square root. So we have minus 1 minus half square plus minus 1 comma 0 and half comma 0, 0 minus 0 square multiplied by square root of, so this is half minus half whole square plus 0 minus root 3 by 2 whole square, and the last will be this multiplied square root of, first will be half minus half, so this half and this 1 half. Okay, so this one, this square. So finally it is, since it is minus 1 minus root 3, so it will be 0 plus root 3 by 2 square. So if you simplify this, so all are in multiplication, all are in this, the terms are multiplied together, so the final answer will be root 3 by 2. So that is the radius of the convergence. Okay, so let's go back to the question. So that is the, what is the radius of convergence of this series? So we may omit this, is do not like this ROC. So just write the radius of convergence, it will be root 3 by 2.